We're reviewing proportions and how to solve them using the Crisscross Method, or using cross products is the official name for it. The official explanation for cross products is that you take the numbers that are diagonal from each other and you put them on opposite sides of the equal sign. So you'd have 7x equals 5 times 14. And then you solve them. Keep your 7x on the left and use your calculator to multiply 5 times 14 and you get 70. Then you solve the equation. Divide by 7 on both sides. X equals 70 divided by 7 is 10. That's the official way to do it. In class, the kids have learned, instead of writing out the equation, they can just shortcut it. So, looking at the bottom one, they take the cross products, 23 times 27 divided by the cross product that's left. That's going to equal x. So then they can punch it into their calculator, 27 times 23 divided by 14, and they get their answer, 44.3 equals x. That's the quick way, and that's the way the kids are going to be doing it. Okay, in class we went through several pages of examples, and they solved them in class. And proportions are a review for them. Today, the new thing that we started was using proportions to convert measurement. We converted measurement earlier in the year, and it was difficult, so we started using proportions to do it. And the thing that I told them is the most important is to keep the unit of measures together. So, like in this problem, if you put feet on the top and yards on the bottom, you just have to make sure that you always have feet going across the top and you always have yards going across the bottom. So first you use your conversion amount. 1 yard equals 3 feet. So yard is going to go on the bottom, feet is going to go on top, and then you look up to your problem, how many feet. That means you're going to have a variable for the feet. Feet's on the top, and 10 are in 10 yards. So you're going to have 10 yards. 10 is going to go on the bottom with your yards. And then you can use your cross products to solve. So 3 times 10 divided by 1 equals x. You solve that, and that's going to equal 30. So your answer is going to be 30. Your x is in line with the feet, so it's going to be 30 feet. Okay, here's another example of that. Okay, we're working with pints and cups. So we're going to put our pints on the top and our cups on the bottom and make sure we keep them lined up as we go. Okay, here's our conversion rate. 1 pint equals 2 cups, so 1's going to go on the top, 2's going to go on the bottom. Okay, we look to our problem. How many cups? That means the cups is going to get the variable. And we finish the problem. Are in 5 pints. So 5 goes with pints. Then we can use our multiplication method. 2 times 5 is 10 divided by 1 is 10. Our x is in line with the cups, so we need to label it cups. That's how we solve these.